Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change screen lock type in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to lock screen and AOD option. After that go to screen lock type. Then you have to type your current PIN or password. Then tap on continue. And that's it. From here you can change your screen lock type. You can see in my phone current screen lock type is password, which is high security. You can also find PIN or pattern option and you can choose any option as you want. If you want to set PIN, just select it and then you have to type a new 6 digits PIN. Then tap on continue. Then retype your PIN again to confirm it. Then tap on OK. After that tap on OK again. And it's done. Now if you tap here again, then you have to type your current PIN. And that's it. You can see in my phone screen lock type has been changed successfully. Now if I lock my device and then double tap to unlock, and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can change screen lock type in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.